An enhanced version of the alpha male without a tribe is referred to as a sigma male. He is not, however, regarded as an extroverted and loud alpha male. The sigma guy is kind of quiet and reserved, but also courageous and powerful, insightful, charming, self-assured, and independent. They are referred to as lone wolves in society because they would rather spend time alone than waste it with someone who is not on the same intellectual level as them. We will give you a glimpse of this is how you level up as a sigma male in today's video. You want to have a stronger sigma personality but are unsure of how to do it. First of all, congratulations on wanting to model some of this particular, confident type of guy's positive qualities. A sigma male is distinctive and leads an independent life. He can live according to his values and beliefs because of his charisma, independence, and high level of confidence. Number 1. Stick to your personal principles. The first step to level up your game as a sigma male is to stop following exclusivity and strive to fit in with the crowd. Make the decision to live your life free from the limitations of the social dominance system. Choose what's right for you and establish the moral and social norms that suit you. Living for yourself rather than what other people think you should do in life is essential to a happy and content life. By adopting this position, you might alienate some of your social circle, but as a true sigma male, you won't have any trouble traveling alone or finding happiness without friends. Number 2. Give up being arrogant. Particularly alpha males are viewed as being arrogant and possibly bordering on self-absorbed. You don't have to present yourself as an expert. Be comfortable with admitting you don't know something or that you're eager to learn, like the sigma male. Permit those in your social circle to show their intelligence and knowledge without feeling the need to imply that they are less intelligent than you. That demonstrates character and humility. One plus point is that men who are strong and self-assured naturally attract women. Arrogance, on the other hand, is a huge turnoff. Number 3. Being authentic. Show the world the real you, not the persona you believe will win them over. Male sigmas dance to the beat of their own drums and are comfortable in their own skin. Show self-confidence that is consistent with positive self-esteem rather than pretentiousness. No matter who is watching, always present yourself as you are. People are going to be drawn to the quality that makes you seem sincere and real. Number 4. Be adaptable and versatile. On the one hand, self-confidence is lacking in beta and omega males. Alphas, on the other hand, can be too rigid, strict, controlling, and manipulative. Being able to balance firmness and flexibility will make you a more admirable person. Being flexible allows you to adjust to various or changing circumstances. Since you can accept the distinctive qualities of team members and are at ease letting others take the lead, you are better able to perform as a team player. By the way, being flexible is praised as a quality of a good leader. Number 5. There is no need to be an authoritarian leader. Although they are criticized for being overly authoritative, alpha men are thought to be strong leaders. Not surprisingly, given that their tendency towards dominance and control is matched by an excessive need for authority. You don't have to constantly remind your team members or workers that you are in charge or that you are an expert. You can be a strong, silent, and respected leader, just like a sigma male. They might be inspired to perform by your leadership style, which is balanced and humble. However, you should not project a lack of assurance like beta males do in order to give the impression that you are a relaxed leader. Number 6. Improve your emotional sensitivity. The capacity to be aware of and in control of your thoughts, feelings, words, and actions is referred to as emotional intelligence. Instead of exploding in rage, you have the ability to self-regulate and empathize with others, including those who treat you poorly. You can interact and resolve conflicts in both your personal and professional life if you are self-aware. You can manage and cope with stress in ways that do not worsen things by developing your emotional intelligence. Number 7. Practice listening with empathy. Sigma males differentiate themselves from a hierarchical gang by their ability to listen empathically. When others pay attention, people feel seen, heard, and validated. Avoid acting like an attention-seeking, self-centered alpha male during a conversation. Whenever you are conversing with your partner or others, pay close attention and use active listening techniques. This demonstrates your interest in what has been said. In your close relationships, listening with empathy shows that you are concerned about whatever the other person is experiencing or feeling at the time. Number 8. Consider solitude an advantage. The strong desire for solitude is a defining characteristic of Sigma males. They are not weird or antisocial for preferring to be by themselves whenever possible. They are tolerant of people, but they find energy and mental stimulation in solitude. On it, they thrive. You will have the opportunity to concentrate on creating a successful personal and professional life, just like Sigma males do when they spend time alone, away from the distractions and opinions of the outside world. It makes you seem more mysterious because you are not always reachable. Another plus factor is that women find unattainable men fascinating for some mysterious reason. Number 9. Develop your independence. Self-reliance is the capacity to rely on oneself to carry out tasks and make decisions without assistance from others. In addition to independence, this trait can have a positive effect on your success. When others do not support you, you will have a lot more confidence in yourself and be less likely to feel depressed. While receiving external validation can be motivating, you can also validate yourself and increase your self-esteem. A Sigma male also does not hold on to his partner or depend on him to fulfill all of his needs. If you cannot keep it together, women will quickly judge you as weak because they prefer strong, self-assured, independent men. Number 10. Respect other people. Respect for others comes naturally to those who possess emotional intelligence and empathy. You can respect those who accept the labels, even though, as a Sigma, you have rejected the idea of being reduced to a social construct. Respect another guy's decision if he chooses to identify with beta, alpha, or delta males. To identify with Sigma males, one must be willing to accept and respect other people's decisions and refrain from acting in a superior manner towards them. People should always be treated with respect, regardless of their age, gender, sexual orientation, appearance, social standing, economic status, or ethnic background. Number 11. Put aside competition. A lack of self-confidence is demonstrated by an excessive need to compete with others, which is frequently seen in alpha males. There is a strong desire to succeed or to be right. If you do not, you will feel disorganized and undeserving, because competing and succeeding serve as justifications. Get rid of that attitude and acknowledge that you don't need to win to feel admirable or successful. Avoid bragging or contrasting your skills, abilities, and accomplishments with those of others. People will perceive you as an arrogant individual because that is more alpha male. When the strong, silent Sigma archetype wants a challenge or to increase his chances of success, he frequently competes against himself. Number 12. Discover your inner power source. By embracing your inner strength, you gain a source of power that will help you develop into a strong, confident, and self-reliant man. This will enable you to take independent action without seeking authorization or validation from others. You must learn more about yourself and tame your inner critic in order to accomplish this. Meditating can help you focus on the here and now by calming your mind's chatter. Ask yourself, what makes me feel powerful? And consider how you can embody that feeling once you have a sense of being in the present. You probably want to let your inner Sigma out, but you are unsure of how to take on the Sigma male persona. Fortunately, by creating new neural connections in the brain, people can alter or enhance their personality traits. It is referred to as changing your mindset by psychologists. These are some methods you could level yourself up to become an ultimate Sigma male. See you guys in the next one.